Sabeeh here, and in this video I am going to tell you guys how to go live on YouTube on your channel straight from the YouTube application on your phone. This is a requested video and this is exactly how you go live from your phone. I tested that a few weeks ago. First of all, you obviously have to open your YouTube application. After it is open, you have to tap over here on that video recording type of thing option, and you do not have to record, you have to press over here go live, and you have to switch the camera if you want or keep it the front camera. But one thing many people skip is that they straight away write the title and go live. That's not the thing you should do. You should at least inform your followers you are going to go live. So for that you guys have to press on more options, and from here you guys should enable schedule for later. That will create a card type of thing in the subscription box of your viewers, and they would know that you're going to go live after these many hours. So that would be really great for your viewers to know when you are going to go live, and it would get a little bit more viewers to your live stream as well. But be aware that YouTube is very buggy with this live thing. I went live about 3 times, and one of those times was with the YouTube application, and 2 of the times I used some other software on my iPhone. Those 2 times were perfect, but when I went live with the YouTube application, at first many people came to the live stream, which was pretty great, and after like 15 or 20 minutes the app just crashed out of nowhere. I don't know what happened. The app crashed, the stream stopped, and then when I streamed again, the stream was lagging and it was very problematic for my viewers. So I would not recommend you to go live with this application, but if this application works out for you somehow, definitely use this way to go live. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to watch more similar videos, please subscribe to the channel, and I would really appreciate if you guys follow me on social media. The links are in the description. Peace and Assalamu Alaikum.